Hi guys! Currently, I will be testing my two Lego boards that I've ordered from originally from its official website. Now we're going to try if this works. So we have this call and text test code that we can apply. Yes, first it will send an SMS message, and then later on it will have its call to this mobile phone. Okay, first this will be the code. We have to upload the code here. So we'll wait when it stops. So my son is currently murmuring behind me. So, acho. So compiling sketch, as you can see, it's uploading now. Uploading now, and then resetting via RTS pin, and then about like 5 to 10 seconds. I forgot the assign delay. So it will now expected to have an SMS message to our mobile phone number. So it leaves out. So when we do the code, we just have to invoke that it will send a text message to a certain number or to a certain type of numbers here. So this is Lily Go Main from Shandon. Lily Go Main calling on our mobile phone. So this one works very fine. And then I will try this one also.